So, adrem. So, yung pag sinabi mong adrem, ito yung relevant daw o pertinent. No? Yun yung general meaning, general sense ng adrem. So, may continuation pa ito mamaya sa law. No? Sa law naman. No? Yung paggamit, yung paano ito ginagamit sa batas. So, maganda't lumalawak yung ating English vocabulary and yung ating Latin vocabulary. I never learned it in school. In all my 7 years of collegiate schooling and, back in secondary and elementary, never ko natutunan to. So, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Grace niya to, grasya niya to na binigyan ako ng avenue at ma-share ko pa sa inyo. Well, yung sa iba, maaaring alam na to. Pero knowing these concepts and knowing these terms would make me a better person when dealing with something. Diba, hindi lang naman sa programming languages ka lang magaling o, it would enhance your knowledge in documents, knowledge in contracts, knowledge in laws, knowledge, kasi yung contract runs the businesses. Diba? Yung mga businesses pumapasok sa kontrata or an agreement. So, paano kung hindi mo alam yun at puro computer ka lang, puro coding ka lang, puro ka lang technical support, and then hindi mo na-appreciate yung legal part or hindi mo na-appreciate yung kasi kailangan tumingin ka deeper kasi ang question ng iba sa computer ka lang magaling, doon ka lang mag-concentrate, which is no. Dapat alam mo rin yung laws and rules behind because we can never escape rules. Lalo na law, we can never escape that. We are all obliged to obey laws. So, yun lang pa.